Buongiorno, friend. Let's make some really delicious grilled chicken skewers your whole family will love. The marinade's very easy, lots of parsley, fresh oregano. I also like to do a couple of cloves of garlic. I like to come in here with a little bit of mustard. This is Dijon mustard. It just gives you like a nice little tang and undertone to the flavor. It's so good. I like to go in with some plain Greek yogurt and lots of lemon juice, salt, and olive oil. The Greek yogurt is really going to help tenderize that chicken, and since we are using chicken breast, it's important that you give it some love and let it sit for a while. Now, I love using chicken thighs, but hey, chicken breast was on sale this week, so that's what I used. Cut it into nice large chunks, not too small, otherwise they do dry out as you cook them. Add them to a bowl with your marinade. Give everything a really good mix. Add some more olive oil and then just go in there with clean hands, or you can use gloves. It doesn't matter to me. Give everything a really good mix, cover and pop it in the fridge for several hours. It's going to infuse flavor and also keep that meat nice and tender. Skewer them however you like. I like to use metal skewers. If you're using bamboo skewers, make sure you soak them for a few hours ahead of time. And then just go ahead and pop them on the grill. Make sure if you're using stainless steel grill grates, if your grill has stainless steel, make sure they're well preheated and lightly oiled, otherwise they will stick. Then go ahead and just grill for a few minutes on each side. Serve them over a bed of arugula with a little lemon, and that's it. Enjoy!